Hey, gawa tayo ng french fries na gamit ang air fryer. So, ang ating ingredients, only potato, and then I put salt on it, and then 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then paprika. So, just mix lang natin para healthy. Healthy siya, diba? Ito siya ngayon. Nireheat ko na yung yung air fryer. Because sa air fryer, you don't need to put a lot of, you don't need to put oil. Di kagaya sa deep fry, so, diba, ang daming oil na kailangan. So, this one is the healthy version of french fries. See this one? Just do it like this. So, because it's showing here for french fries, it's 20 to 25 minutes. But I'll do it twice. I'll do it twice. So, leave it on here. Maybe I put it, no, that's it. I'll see you later. I-set natin siya ng 350. Ayan, ano siya. It's 390 the maximum. So, tayo ng 350. Yeah. Tapos, set tayo ng what's that? Time. So, 25 minutes. 25 minutes. Let's put 20. Pero, dapat every, half of the time, kailangan mo siyang i-check para baliktarin. Okay, let's open it. Let's play. Yeah. So, 10 minutes, kailangan nating buksan para i-open. See you later. Guys, ito na yung kinalabasan niya. Yan. May still 1 minute pa. Ito na yung kinalabasan. Sarap.